Can't believe it's already May. So, I guess the way my EDC videos work is that it's what I've been carrying, I guess, the previous month. So, even though it's May, this is what I've been carrying in April. And it goes backwards like that. So, it doesn't really matter though. So I got my cell phone. And that is in my front left pocket. Along with my wallet. Front left pocket still. Permanent marker. A pen. Gel pen. Personal alarm. And what else do I got in here? It's just some various things that I didn't know I had in here. These are those little light peg things. Can't remember why I had them in my pocket. This is part of a stylus that's in transit. Got my Roadblock G.I. Joe man. And I got a lot of stuff in this pocket this time. Some of the stuff I carry for various reasons. Not sure what that key is for. But apparently I have two more. Some challenge coins. Some old raisins. I guess to be fair I should. They have been sitting in my pocket, so I guess I should include them. But needless to... Okay, so a lot of this stuff will not be in my pocket after this video. It's funny, it just kind of sits in my pocket. Okay, also in my front left pocket is that card insert that goes in my wallet, but I'm using the card a lot, so I haven't put it in the wallet. And another little plastic rock thing there. So that is my front left pocket. Okay, nothing on the left side hanging from my carpenter jeans. In my back left pocket is the Benchmade mini bug out and a decoy wallet. And that's it. I'm only carrying one knife now because the more knives I carry, the less I use them, and they're just extra. If I ever forget or lose my knife, 99% of the time I'll be okay. If I'm going somewhere where I feel I may need a backup knife, then I'll definitely carry one. But I've stopped carrying the neck knife, and I've stopped carrying the fifth pocket knife. So I just carry one knife now, and I'm trying to get usage out of my knives rather than just collecting them. Okay, on my head, my favorite orange readers were broken. I super glued them once, but they're finally dead. And so I'm using these Dollar Tree gay looking ones. I like the color, but I'm not going to wear these on my head. But I'll definitely wear them on my shirt, if that makes sense. But they work pretty good, so for $1. And it's kind of an exercise also in just getting me out of my comfort zone. Okay, back rear pocket, I have a notebook. Just a flat folding notebook. So that is what goes in my back right pocket. And finally on my, oh, so yeah, I don't have a neck knife that I wear anymore. In my fifth pocket, I have one flashlight. I am going to put another one in. I just gave the other one away. I like to have two flashlights. Battery runs out, so I like to have two, but I gave one away, so one will have to do. And finally, in my front right pocket, oh wait a minute, I got one more thing in my fifth pocket. A big lighter. So my far front right pocket, I have for some reason my sanitizer spray in my left pocket. So I have in my front right pocket, finally, my pepper gel. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot, I have that pockets on the bottom right of a carpenter pants. So I got my short person stick still, which is very handy. I'm glad I have. And a backup pepper gel. That's it. That's my everyday carry for like 3 of the last weeks of April and the first week of May, and things will change again slightly. Oh, I guess I should show my keys. Let me show my keys real quick. My keys, I got my fidget spinner carabiner thing, name tag, Aldi's coin, USB, mini USB, some little skeleton pirate toy thing, key, little night-eyes flashlight. Yeah. So I don't think this is too much stuff. A lot of this stuff I am getting rid of. I don't know why it was in my pocket, so let's just take all this out of the equation. And everything else though I keep. This I probably won't keep. I'm trying to muscle memory the wallet, so I try to grab the decoy wallet first. So, but everything else I pretty much use in some form or another when I'm out and about. Even when I'm at home, when I'm visiting the grandkids. So, all gets used. I don't keep any of this in a bag. It's all on my person. And it's not heavy. And it goes in my carpenter jeans. The masks get rotated out of my car, so unless I know I'm going somewhere, this is my usual everyday carry. I don't carry a mask on me, it's in my car. I also keep one in a bag that's in my car. I actually have them in all my bags, so but I usually don't carry one on my body, if that makes sense. So